Hey girls, I'm Lori Finney. I'm from Medway, Massachusetts. I am an Orange Status presenter with Younique. I have been with this company as a side job for about a year now. My anniversary is mid-September. I'm a full-time family nurse practitioner. I'm a nurse manager for the CVS Minute Clinic, which some of you may have used. I, honest to God, work my regular job about 60 hours a week. It is high stress, and I just have been so blessed to be able to fit Younique in the nooks and crannies of what I do. So if anyone's feeling stressed about your regular job and fitting this all in, come talk to me. I will help you out with that. This can be done by anyone. So that's a little bit about me. I have 6-year-old twins, 2 boys, married, and I like long walks on the beach. Okay, so I'm going to do my convention takeaways for you all today. I think it's been said a million times and understood that convention was amazing. It's a business game changer. You have to be there if you're serious about this business next year. You've got a full year right now to plan, to save, to budget, to find childcare, to make this happen, to get time off from work. So if you are serious about running with us, you have to be in St. Louis. Unless you've got a wedding or you're getting married or something else pre-planned. Our group next year is going to be huge. A bunch of us have already bought tickets. They are available in your back office, so go over there and get one. It's kind of good. You buy that ticket and then you're kind of locked in. You have to do it. So if you think this is something you're really up for, then go buy that ticket today. So that's my first piece of advice. I kind of looked through my notes from the convention, and I wanted to just give you some real pieces of advice that spoke to me. The first one was kind of a recurring theme that anyone who's successful in this business is constantly learning, and they are doing this on their own. They are not waiting for their sponsor, their friends, their team, anyone to force them to do anything, to really challenge them. You got to get out there and learn on your own. We give you so many resources. There's so much YouTube. There's so many books. Find a Y sister, friend her, get to know her on a personal basis, and run together. You've got to do this work really on your own. So if you're waiting for someone else to do it for you, then it's possible that your heart's not really in it. So if you're waiting for someone else to do the work for you, then it's just probably not going to happen. So that's tough love, Lori, talking to you right there, but it's true. So challenge yourself to watch some YouTube. Ask us what the best ones are. We've got an absolute library. We can direct you to the best resources, the best books, the best websites, all the training you need. Just ask, but you've really got to put that work in yourself and do it yourself. And that was really a recurring theme throughout convention, and that was really great to hear, and just to kind of know that you've got to put that work in. So if you're not doing that, make that change today, and start doing some learning, just absorbing. Anything, like, just be a sponge. Anything you can find, any Amber Voigt, any Eric Worre, just ask us, and we'll get you those resources. So that's number 2, I guess, actually. You have to be there, and you have to learn. Number 3 was just that videos are huge. If you are not doing videos in your groups, if you're not comfortable in front of your little phone camera, I'm not especially either. I'm just kind of up here blabbing. I'm looking at that camera, I'm looking at you, and I'm just talking. And people like that realness. That really speaks to them. They gave a statistic that it was 78% of internet traffic in 2015 is video. So people are really responding to video, people are watching them, people are interested in them. So you want to be part of that 78%, and that means making videos. So finding a spot in your house that's quiet, finding some good lighting, and giving your customers objectives about your video. So you want to say things like, I'm going to teach you 3 things, and then you want to go 1, 2, 3, and you want to really be clear, and you want it to be short. Humans have an attention span, they also said, of 8.25 seconds. It's right around the same as a goldfish, so kind of insulting, but good to know. So you want to grab people's attention in the first 8 seconds of your video, otherwise they're just going to keep scrolling. So if you're still watching this, we're at 4 minutes, kudos to you, because most people are scrolling by me right now. So that's a good one on the videos. And the last point, oh, this was huge. This spoke to me hugely. This was Kanisha Morrison. She's another amazing Black Status presenter. She gave a 5-5-5 example for follow-up, retention, reaching out to people, and it's so simple and it's so doable. So this was challenging yourself to reach out to 5 potential presenters a day. So 5 Facebook friends, the girl in the cashier at the grocery store, a mom friend, a work friend, anyone, a church friend, just mentioning your business, just talking about it. It doesn't have to be a hard sell, join my team, just saying, hey, did you know what I'm doing? I'm having so much fun. Let me know if you want more info. There's one. One's done. So 5 of those a day. Reaching out to 5 teammates or friends a day, just saying, hey, just saying, how are you, girl? What's going on in your life? I saw that you did this. What you been up to? Making connections with people, because this business is all about relationships. So if you're up there selling, no one's going to be buying. They have to trust you and love you and know you to want to engage in a product with you that they honestly probably can't get their hands on unless it's in a home party, okay? So just reaching out to 5 of your friends, making a connection, just asking them about life. Or 5 of your teammates doing the same thing. You want to get to know the girls who are on your team. You want to know them as people. They're going to trust you as a leader. That's the other 5. The third 5 is 5 follow-ups. So reaching out to 5 of your previous customers or 5 potential customers. If your list isn't that big, if you're just starting out, then you want to reach out to 5 people who might like the mascara and just say, hey, did you know what I'm doing? Send a little picture maybe in the message. This is our mascara. It's so awesome. You got to check it out, and put your link in there. So those are my takeaways, things that spoke to me. I'm sorry this video is long. I'm also sorry that I'm post-gym and pre-makeup and pre-coffee. So if you looked at me for 6 minutes, thank you. And reach out to me if you need anything. I'm here for all of you, and I'm happy to help. And get yourself that St. Louis ticket today. Talk to you later. Bye.